Hey, what is up guys? Archie here, and today we're going to be talking to you about the different compression systems that we use here at Chilli, and also the bars that are compatible with each individual compression system. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, so there is two different types of compression system that we use here at Chilli Pro Scooters. But that also means that we're using three different types of bar. Sounds crazy, right? Let me show you what I mean. We have got here the chromoly HRC bar with the slit in the back, which is what we'll be running Spider HRC with. We've got our standard chromoly bar here with zero slit in the back. That is what we'll be using SES with today. And then last but not least, we have an aluminium oversized bar which we'll be using Spider HRC with. As you can see, it has the slit on the back here. So let's get into more detail with it and show you each individual compression system. So first up, we're going to talk about the Spider HRC, Chilli's own perfection of compression system. So let me show you. With the Spider HRC, we have these four prongs that go onto the fork. As you can see, the fork has been milled out so that we can have a compression system that is nice and hidden, hence HRC, hidden internal compression system. HRC is a lot lighter as a compression system. It's a cleaner look, it's sleek, it's hidden. So if you're looking for a lighter compression, or maybe you don't like the look of anything else and just want a nice small clamp, Spider HRC is going to be the one for you. So with Spider HRC, you can run two different types of handlebar. The first one is a standard size steel bar. This is a heavier bar, but it is the cheaper option. And as you can see, it comes with a pre-installed slit at the back. That is so our clamp can clamp our bars onto the fork to make sure that our compression system doesn't come loose. With this bar specifically, you would have to run a standard clamp, as you can see right here. So that is it for our chromoly bar. So let's move on to the aluminium bar. As you can see, the aluminium bar looks kind of the same, but it's actually an oversized handlebar. This means that when you're running this bar, you have to run an oversized clamp, which has a bigger diameter in the middle. Always remember that, because you may not have the compatibility with your current scooter to run an aluminium bar. Also, again, with this bar, pre-installed slit in the back, so our clamp can hold our bars onto our forks without them coming off. So that's the bars and the compatibility of which ones are going to work with Spider HRC. So let's get more into detail with the Spider HRC itself. It is the only compression that is compatible with all different styles of handlebar. This is because with the Spider HRC, we haven't had to sacrifice anything. We haven't changed the shape of the fork, the size of the fork. This is a standard fork with some extra notches in it, which means we can just slide the Spider HRC over the top and run whatever handlebar we like to ride. So let's show you how to install your Spider HRC. Okay, so moving on to the SES now. The SES is a stronger compression. It is a lot more sturdy. And also, if you want to add some more height onto your bars, the SES will allow you to do so. The only thing that you need to make sure about when you are riding SES is that you have an SES compatible bar. What I mean by this is this bar does not have a slit. This is so that the clamp can clamp the bar directly and hold it in place. The main thing is that it clamps half onto your bars and half onto your forks. As you can see inside the SCS, there is 2 different size diameters in there, and there's a little step, which means we're going to use this top cap on top of the step. We're going to use the bolt to put into the fork, tighten it up, and that is going to pull everything together to keep your headset nice and tight, which is what we want from a compression system. Okay guys, so that is the different types of compression systems that we use here at Chilli for scooters. I hope you have found this video super helpful in choosing what bars and what compression system that you want to use. If you want to know anything else about a scooter or just a genuine question, let us know in the comments below. Make sure you follow all of our social medias so you do not miss any content from us. I'm Go, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.